Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach and welcome to my newest listing on beautiful Bond Street. I love this neighborhood because you'll find street after street of charming mid-century homes like this bungalow. They're flooded with natural light, and this particular home still maintains a lot of original details, like this archway and beautiful cove ceilings. Now, I also love that this home has been completely refreshed to appeal to a much more modern taste. So enjoy the tour. Please let me know if you have any questions, and if you'd like to arrange a private viewing, please reach out with the information that you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.